Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Govee Pro app Premium Automation, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Govee Pro app on your mobile device. Ensure that you are logged into your account. Navigate to the main dashboard of the app. Look for the Premium section highlighted on the screen. Tap on the Upgrade Now button to proceed. You will see a list of features available with the Premium subscription. Review the benefits to understand what you will gain. Select your preferred subscription plan, whether monthly or yearly. Tap on Continue to move forward. You will be prompted to enter your payment details. Fill in your payment information accurately. Double-check all entered details for correctness. Review the subscription terms and conditions. Once satisfied, tap on the Confirm button to finalize your purchase. Wait for the confirmation message indicating that your subscription is active. Explore the new premium features available to enhance your Govee experience. Enjoy customizing your automation settings with the premium options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.